Quick question. Hypothetically, how important is documentation?
Depends. Are we talking nice to have important or career-limiting event important?
The second one. Definitely the second one.
Who asked for it?
The Go Live Review Board.
The people with the power to turn 6 months of work into next quarter's work.
The final boss.
Exactly. And they want technical documentation, API documentation, user guides, everything.
Reasonable.
No. Reasonable would have been asking 6 months ago. They're asking for it in 2 hours. We won't be able to go live with the changes.
That's enterprise project management's way of saying good morning.
The application changed 47 times.
The workflows changed. The APIs changed.
The screens changed. The data model changed. Please tell me somebody updated the documentation.
Historically speaking, that would be considered optimistic.
Documentation usually stops evolving sometime around Sprint 2.
This is exactly what I'm talking about. The application is version 27. The documentation is version 9. And somehow, version 9 is still marked final.
Classic enterprise naming convention.
The board is going to ask how the application works.
They're going to ask about APIs.
They're going to ask about user flows. They're going to ask about integrations. And the only person who understands all of it is...
Leaving for annual leave tomorrow?
Exactly! How did you know?
Enterprise pattern recognition.
We're finished. The application evolved. The documentation didn't. We're about to explain version 27 using screenshots from version 9.
Enterprise archaeology strikes again.
Or we could use DocuGen AI.
I don't trust sentences that start with or.
DocuGen AI in redSling, built directly into redSling. It automatically generates documentation from the application itself.
Automatically?
Technical documentation, API references, user guides, application documentation, generated directly from what has actually been built.
Which means documentation finally has a meaningful relationship with reality.
And when the application changes?
The documentation changes too.
Wait, you're saying the documentation stays synchronized with the application?
Exactly.
Like source control, but for human beings.
Show me. This is current. This is accurate. This actually matches production. So we're not spending 3 weeks updating Word documents?
Nope.
We're not manually rebuilding API documentation after every release?
Nope.
We're not creating user guides at midnight before governance reviews?
Definitely not.
That's what happens when documentation is generated from the application instead of somebody's memory.
This feels dangerously accountable.
Welcome to documentation that survives contact with reality.
We passed?
We passed.
For the first time in enterprise history, the application and the documentation were describing the same thing.
Applications change. Documentation should too. DocuGen, AI in redSling technical documentation. API, references, user guides, automatically generated, always in sync. redSling, software on your terms.